Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is Mother's Day and I just want to use this opportunity to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. I know this vlog probably will not come out like very soon, probably about Thursday or Saturday, because I have like 2 other videos that I'm planning on putting out before this, so because they were filmed before this. So yeah, so yes, happy Mother's Day guys. I know it's kind of late. I will post like a community post just to say happy Mother's Day to all my viewers that are mothers. So yeah, so right now church is over and I'm gonna prepare casserole. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare a casserole for mama. So yeah, this is my kitchen. For those who don't know, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Yeah, so we're gonna grab the stuff to make my casserole. I think this is here before. I think I'm gonna use this one. I kind of prefer crafts, but I'm gonna use this because, yeah, I'm not even gonna confuse it with them. Or not, I don't know. I'm action. When she comes. Ari didn't come over here. I don't remember Ari coming over here. So first thing we're going to do is melt some butter.
Hi guys, remember to like and subscribe and share.
Cheers. I'm gonna need like more butter. Just a spoon. Hi guys, it starts. Alright, so here what I've done, I put the butter and some flour and the milk. And I'm going to add in these cheeses. Yeah. You know. I think we kind of know that one there, Mom. We just clear on. So you're not telling what you're making? Oh yeah, sorry, I'm making. I did say it before. The sauce for the casserole, right? You see how me have to teach our people? I'm not a cooking channel. This is just a part of my vlog, you know. The cooking channels. What? guys, the aim is to actually get it into like a creamy mixture, so it kind of thick up a little bit,
like pumpkin soup.
I don't know about that one there.
A true creamy soup. Like pumpkin soup.
So
she gone left the bag.
Must all come back to the vlog.
She gone to get her cutting tools.
Me have to for the vlog.
Chandelier. May I entertain them? Chandelier. Okay, that's not cheese. Where you get it from? Me not trust him, me not eat him. We never see cheese.
Look at it, guys. I realize it's getting to be a little bit thicker.
Yes, and
then we're not adding the mozzarella and the other one.
Mozzarella.
But I think I need to add in like a little bit more milk. This little bit.
Yeah, so I'm the one when me cut it and dry it, me see the cheese are dry with it.
Ooh, get you.
Milk, more milk, more milk, more milk. How you doing it?
I wonder if it did need more flour. But the flour I have to do with it.
No, no, flour. It look thick enough.
So we have the Borden cheddar melt and we have the Borden mozzarella. Everybody know how mozzarella works. All of that cheese. So of that, we're going to need to let it melt and get thickened and whatnot. I don't know if this thing reaching it, you know. Yeah. Stay. Yeah. I'm going to get our mozzarella now. And we're going to add some of that as well. Tad more. I'm going to stir until it's thick now. Bye. Alright guys, so if you realize, if you realize it is getting thick, so I'm just gonna stir it a little bit more and then I'm going to put it on the other. Yeah, so I think this is it. Yeah. So yes guys, so let's get it onto the mac and cheese and then stir. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. We still have the cheese left in that. So I'm going to make all this. I am going to put some butter on this and I think a little bit of flour and then put the cheese in it. what it looks like. I'm trying to spread it and stuff. Okay. Try to spread it so it's everywhere. Good. Good.
Okay, confident.
Perfect.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, what? Yes.
You
called me.
Those are yours. You can empty the bags and
Thank you. Take what you please.
take the bags and leave what is in it.
Okay. And that last to come out. We say one go for big gift. You know, easy.
So this is a little golden bag, and I see some pink and white things showing themselves. It looks soft and fluffy.
Oh, your mother has
What
extra.
could it be?
Oh, your mother has extra.
Wow. It is so pretty.
No, it's a sheep.
Wow. I love it.
I love the top.
You know, wash it.
So this is a towel.
Uh-huh.
Right. This is a towel.
What else is in the bag?
And it's soft and nice.
And what else is in the
Very
bag?
soft. Wow, this is a pretty color. What could this be? Wow. Wow. This is a jogging pants?
No,
What is it?
it's a going up.
It is a what? Well, it's not Christmas.
You know, say so rich.
It's a jogging
You know, say so rich. Me.
Okay. This is what I got. It's a chain. Jamaica. Okay, it's a necklace. Jamaica necklace. Right? Okay.
How you doing?
And I know your son. And 5 o'clock meeting.
Okay, what is this?
I have to sit up. I have to sit up.
On a golden bag.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a mat. Oh, wow. What kind of mat is this? It seems so very big. Oh, it's a kitchen mat. Wow. Look at it.
Woohoo!
I've always wanted one, a big one like this. Now it's finally here.
Yes.
Oh, to go over the sink. Now what else do you
Scoop
have
those
here?
out of the way. Get them out of the way. Throw
Okay,
those
you
out.
don't want to see these?
Event.
Okay, so those are going there for now.
With care.
Let's say the name. This is cushion, people. A cushion. Wow. What does it say? Happy Mothers. What?
It
has my picture.
And you want the panny. You see me too. I see my father. I see my sister.
So it's Shanique and Shanake and Dave and myself. It's so pretty. And it says, a mother's love is like a rose, always loving and caring.
Yay.
Wow. I love that.
What?
Wow.
She's lying down.
Oh. Wait no moment. Let me take a close up of the picture.
That is pretty.
AJ catching it too. AJ catching it too. This
one.
Please.
And this says, Mom, a title just above a queen. Yes, there you go.
That's cute. I like that one. It's my favorite color.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
The main.
I'm not going to put it.
Should be soon.
One, two, three.
That's how cup you're not getting on it. Up here.
So,
Dear.
Cheers.